guys, hey guys, sorry, I'm tired. Hey guys, it's, Asa Kid, not Asa Kid, Asa Labby here, and, I'm tired, so I'm gonna stop making videos for the day, for this day, and go to bed, and I'll make videos tomorrow. So, bye.